77 OFWs were successfully repatriated from Lebanon last night. So far, over 600 OFWs came back to the Philippines since the conflict in Lebanon that started in October 2023. The Department of Migrant Workers said around 400 OFWs are still left in Lebanon. One OFW shared her traumatic experience during the conflict. Alright, so yung mga kababayan nga natin dyan na mga na-repatriate at nakabalik na dito sa Pilipinas, hindi lamang mga livelihood assistance yung makukuha nila, kundi hospitalization, psychological treatment din, kasi dahil nga dito sa trauma na naranasan nila doon sa Lebanon.
Pero what we'd like to see, no, and I'm also voicing out yung mga sinasabi ng ibang lawmakers na since we already have a department, dati kasi POEA lang yan attached to either DOLE or DFA. Ngayon, since meron ako ng Department of Migrant Workers, dapat meron na tayong proactive measures or protocol in place na alam ng tao. Kasi hindi alam ng tao, ano ba protocol talaga? Reactive lang ba kayo? So, kasi it looks like reactive agency ang nangyari, di ba? So, hindi alam, kunyari, pag level 1 at level 2 at na-force na repatriate ako, pag umuwi ako, anong meron ako? Dapat automatic, alam na ng Filipino, ano yung meron option siya so that he can decide pa lang pag nag-break out ang conflict, level 2, pag umuwi ako, alam ko may 10,000 ako.
Yes.
So it has to be proactive. We cannot anymore be...
Tsaka yun nga ang ang pinaka sinasabi dyan is yung wag nang antayin na magkagulo po dyan, magsara yung mga exit, yung mas maggulo at magsara yung mga exit doon, di ba? Wag na mandatory na repatriation.
Bakit? Kaya nga, as I said, kailangan natin ang proactive department.